Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2018 Nissan Murano SV. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger SUV in pearl white. And under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 engine and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Some of your exterior features include your power panoramic moonroof, your roof rails, and a motion-activated liftgate for your convenience. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this Murano has to offer. Helping us into the Murano, we have our fob. It is a proximity key, but we do have the lock and unlock buttons. We also have a remote start. We have the trunk latch, and then we also have the alarm button as well. So the proximity key works by just pressing this button right here. So there's locked, and now that's unlocked. So we can open that right up. And we'll look at our door panel. So we do have our window buttons here, the lock and unlock buttons and the window lock, plus we have our mirror adjust as well. And we do have some nice leather interior here along the door and some nice polished finishing. So just to the left of the seat, we've got our adjuster with the lumbar support. And then to the left of the steering wheel, we've got our heated steering wheel buttons, and we also have our trunk latch. And we have our adjuster as well. Okay, so we do have proximity keys, so we'll press the brake and start our engines. So there we go. Looking at our instrument panel, you can see we have 28,529 kilometers on the vehicle. Lots of life left. And I promise you we will be filling up your vehicle with gas when you come to see it. But we'll just move that over and look at all of our settings and all of the readouts that this will give us. We have this nice multi-information display. So lots of information it wants to let us. That's just the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And below that we have our source and we have our volume buttons. We also have voice recognition, and then we have the hands-free calling as well. On the right-hand side, this is our cruise control, and that just sets us up, getting us ready to go. So if we look at our entertainment system, so we've got a few things to show you here. So we can press our menu, and this gives us basically our heads up, and it gets us going, and we can pop anywhere we need to. Nice touch screen function. So you see we do have smartphone connection as well. So the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Great feature to have. And then we can go to our menu, our map, and you can see that this is a nice view of the northeast side of Edmonton, or northwest side of Edmonton. And just at the bottom we have our audio and our phone info, map, navigations, and settings as well. So looking a little further down, we do have our dual zone climate control, both operated on dials independently. We can click dual, and it'll give us the ability to change either one of them. We can turn those on and off. A couple more things, we have our front and rear defrost. The rear also works with our mirrors. Those heated mirrors are great for us. A little further down, we've got the USB and the auxiliary plus a 12-volt DC outlet. So we have our nice center console with this more of this wood grain finish, and then we have our seat heaters as well. 2 cup holders. If we look inside here, we've got our illuminated glove box. Plus we have a 12-volt DC outlet. Looking a little further down, we have our glove box. Lots of room inside there for anything we might need to pop in. Plus we have another button down there that moves, we have the button down there that turns our power rear door on and off. The last feature I'd like to show you is our panoramic moonroof, giving us a nice view of the sky, operated on these controls right there. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. Looking at the back of the Murano, a few things to show you. We do have the dual exhaust down at the bottom. We have the shark fin antenna at the top with those roof rails. And then just underneath the insignia, we have got the backup camera. So we'll open up, and all we have to do is press our one button. That beeping denotes the power gate opening up, giving us a glimpse at the inside of our cargo area. So you can see lots of room over here, and we'll open this up, and you can see we have a spare tire with all of the tools we might need to change it in case that does happen. We have a 12-volt outlet right there. And then in order to fold these seats down easy, all we do is pull these latches, and and they fold straight down for us. So that gives us as much room as we need for anything. So there we are. That's the cargo area. Closing up, all we have to do is press our button. Let's take a last look at our 2018 Nissan Murano SV. Some other features include your heated front seats, power driver's seat with lumbar support, and your heated leather steering wheel for all your comfort needs. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so come in and take for a test drive. We're here at 300 Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.